How's it going, guys? It's PewDiePie. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, you guys know who I am. I'm Jay. We're back with a new video, and today we've got this monster truck game. And I've played a little bit of this game. I just had a quick look through it and stuff. So this is my truck right here. I've got that much amount of money right here. I'm actually filming. I have to be quiet because I'm actually filming this at fucking 3:50 AM. So 3 AM, fucking devil's hour. This could almost be a fucking 3 AM fucking monster truck challenge or something. But I mean, I don't really know. Wait, did you guys just hear that? I'm not sure if you guys did. Like, we're staying in the camper van. And we're hearing these weird shit noises. Like, it's actually pretty scary. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, it's turned up with air conditioning and it's still going. But in any case, okay, it's just stopped. I'm just gonna forget about it. We're just gonna jump straight into the video. So we've got this one, we've got that, or we've got that. So I've played that and that. I haven't really played this one that much. So there might be this one. So this one is basically I've got one of my mates here. Mate, did you just fucking fart?
That was not me. I promise.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna start this.
Sure.
My computer doesn't fart.
Whoa, bro!
Oh. Oh shit. In the focus. Whoa, fuck me. Alright, so we're doing a race. Shit. Okay. Whoa, okay. Sorry about that, guys. Fucking where yeah, I've lost this. Unless the other guys do shit. I can't. Holy crap, like, this is actually... Alright, something's happening. Like, I usually don't do this stuff, but I'm just gonna restart. I'm so sorry. Alright, great start. It's a great start. So, I must have a great start. I'm just gonna whoa! Whoa! Guys, are you being serious? Something's actually not happening. Bro. No, bro, I'm actually not joking. Something's actually not, bro. Because it's 3 AM. I knew this would become a bloody 3 AM challenge. I knew it! Holy crap! It's like, I wanted to turn left, but look, I'm telling, look, I want it to go forward. Look, I'm pressing forward. Oh, there you go. Look, like, bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? That is legit. Bro, I'm actually pissed fucking scared. Guys, that was 100% not me. I swear that was fucking someone else. Holy crap. Hacker, I reckon someone fucking hacked me. Oi, Brian, stay here. Alright, guys. Oh god, is this a bloody bloody ads? I'm playing on a laptop, so it's a, of course, bloody, yeah, so of course ads have to bloody pop up. Oh, right here. Oh. Skip it right there. We don't want this shit. You guys want it? Don't get it. But we got this much money. We can get all of this. Yeah, I might even see if I can get a new monster truck. Actually, I don't trust that truck. That truck is like... Nah, I'm not upgrading. Alright, so what I'm going to do is... We'll do this one. About something green. Boy, bro, what are you... Bro, just sit here. You said you'd stay up here. Bad time. Alright, it's okay. Whoa, okay. Alright, okay, so this time Whoa! Oh, Rob! Legit, come here. Okay, where am I going? I'll be right here. Well, guys, I'm so sorry. I have stuffed this up so much, but legit, I want it to move, and it's not letting me move. Oh my god, I've gone the wrong way. Oh my god, something's happening. I'm not doing this. Like, legit. But I wish I had a face cam. Yeah. But I'm legit not doing this. Well, I was doing. Well, now I'm doing this. Actually, no, wait. Bro, that's some scary shit. That is some scary shit. That is like, whoa. And another ad has to come up.
Yes!
Oh, shit, I didn't even realize the exit was right there. I'm so sorry, you guys. Oh, okay, great. Please do it with me, I guess. Oh yeah, guys, comment down below if you tried the fucking Vegemite shakes. Yeah, if you live in Australia, okay?
It's only Australia.
Oh good, so this one here's just a free-for-all one, so I can do whatever the fuck I want, that's great. Alright, just gonna smash into this shit. I just hope 3 AM's almost over, and then, but like, legit, like, bro, 4 minutes left, and fucking 3 AM's over. Fuck me, yes. Okay, we're just gonna quickly turn on the aircon because it's, yeah, sorry if there's noise in the background, I'm just gonna turn on the air conditioning because it's Australia, mate, and it's fucking hot.
Yeah.
Alright, so, sorry if I'm doing pretty shit. Alright, whoa! Alright, so far, I'm going pretty okay. Alright, no, not really. And... Alright, no, I stuffed that up so much. No. But we're not, no. It's just like... No, you're not. Don't, I'm not looking at you. Sorry if I'm not talking that much. If you hear some noise in the background, that's just my mom. It's just nothing. Ooh, what's this?
Some combat robots, if you know what I'm saying.
It's actually not too bad, it's actually. Alright. Alright, what's this game? That's actually a pretty good game.
Why did I do this time?
Fuck me. Ooh! Bro, we just got some new money. We just got more money. We got $43,146. So, guys, hang on. What I'm gonna do is, in 2 minutes, I'm gonna end the video because that's when 3 AM finishes. And don't worry, I'm gonna do like another video like straight after. Like, I'm actually thinking of doing something different. I'm actually thinking of doing a like a try not to laugh video, I reckon. So I reckon we've got enough time to maybe do one more. We'll do one more. Alright, so this one is a race. And then the next one, actually I might even just do the race, or I might do the race and the whoa, that turn into the building, that turn into the thing. Whoa, bro! That last few seconds, I swear that was not me. Right, I've got a minute left. I have a minute left to do whatever I want, and I think that's. Oh wait, now we're still doing a race. Whoa! Yeah, no, I've stopped that up so much. Yeah, no. Bro, this is like legit not me. Like, I'm being, like, bro, like, I'll never lie. Like, this is actually scary. Like, and what? There's a minute. Oh no! Bro, it's 4 AM. It just hit 4 AM just then. So, 3 AM's officially now over. Oh, fuck. That's all over. Bro, I legit have goosebumps. Like, that fucking scary. 3 AM. Oh, man, yeah. But, anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on the bell. Turn on the bell. Yeah, the ring-a-ding-ding bell. Yeah, okay. But that being said, yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.